Hello, today we're gonna replace a broken belt on a Ferris IS 700Z. I have the operator manual here. So we're gonna do the mower driver belt replacement. Uh, but before we do that, I'm gonna have a smoothie. Uh, I'm gonna blow all these grass pieces. I usually like clean areas before I start the project. And I have tools ready to go there, and I'm just going to work on it. So what you want to do is place the deck to the lowest possible area, put the brakes on, take the keys off, make sure that there are stoppers here on the wheels so that it doesn't roll anywhere. Ideally, we'll try to work on a flat surface. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take these little pieces, these things off first. So this is a 61-inch deck. So all the tools that we need are right here. This is a 14 and 9/16. Then we have a wrench, WD-40, just in case it's needed. So, well, I guess I'm just gonna dust it off by hand here. Alright, so we just have the wrong size, and then on this one we're gonna need a 1.5. Okay. So this piece just comes off. Same thing on the other side. I had this Ferris for 4 years. It's a really good mower. You just need to keep up with it. So make sure you have some type of gloves or something, maybe even long sleeves to cover your arms. Then this thing just comes off. So this will be like under the leveler. So just pull that piece off. There's like a little lip here, so then my lip, pull it off. Alright, so what you want to do next is basically loosen this off, take this piece off here. So for that you're gonna need 9/16 here, and the 9/16 goes on this side, and then the 1.5 on this side here. Don't have the ruler here, I'm sorry. So yeah, 14-inch. There. So I will probably need my hands loosened. I just take this off completely, and that will just help you to take the belt off, and actually will also allow you to place the belt back on much easier. And I have here a crowbar that I just inserted in this little hole here. I don't know if you can see it. So this goes in there, and then what you want to do is pull it forward to loosen the belt. So ideally you want to leave this space last to place this belt. This belt goes all the way here, there, it attaches all the way down there. So you just need to follow the path of your owner's manual, basically. So in this instance I'm following 61-inch belt flow according to the owner's manual. I hope that helps. I wasn't really able to find anything on YouTube, so that is it. All right, thank you.